Today, I'll show you how to start a tech accessories brand, one of the fastest growing business categories. Let's jump straight into it. 1. Pick your niche. Don't sell everything. Choose one niche. Best niches: phone cases, MagSafe accessories, chargers and cables, desk LED gadgets, laptop stands. Pick a niche with high demand plus low competition. 2. Research what's selling. Go on Amazon, Etsy, TikTok Shop and check best sellers, trending designs, reviews, especially complaints. Price range. Find a product that people buy daily and you can improve slightly. 3. Find a supplier use. Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping, Spocket. Message multiple suppliers and compare. Price, shipping time to USA, quality private label options. Always order samples. 4. Build your brand. Create brand name, logo, minimal packaging, a clean aesthetic. Tech brands must feel premium. Take high-quality photos and short demo videos. 5. Set up your store. Use Shopify. Add clean product page, short videos, simple benefits reviews, fast checkout. Audience loves simple, minimal stores. 6. Start marketing. Post short content daily on TikTok, Instagram Reels. Show unboxing, desk setups, MagSafe hacks. Run TikTok ads for quick sales. Send products to micro-influencers. Very cheap, very effective. And that's your quick A to Z guide to starting a tech accessories brand. In part 2, I'll show you the full budget plan, product cost, store cost, marketing cost, and expected profit. Don't miss it.